Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin as we're heading towards the end of the trading day, trading week. Bitcoin is running 24 hours anyway, but towards the end of the weekly candle, you know what I'm talking about. I'm starting to favor really a triangle wave count, to be honest. I have become really careful with triangles because in crypto, they often tend to morph into something else, but I want to put onto the chart now a triangle count. Obviously, for anybody who's new, we still would favor a one more extension here to the upside in wave 5 of 3, before we then come down into a deeper support area of larger degree wave 4, then one more high. Feel free to check out my first video from today. We looked at the daily chart as well. But this is just here short-term view. One more high would be preferred, especially as long as support stays intact at 32,760. That's really key support because below that level, we basically either fail. So it either fails completely this rally or we find support here in this support area. And for me, it's either at the moment, okay, one more extension, then wave 4, then up. Or, okay, we're already in this wave 4 and then up. Only below 29,450, I would take a bearish stance and would assume that yellow wave B topped. And we're coming down and would probably test the 22K area again. So what I can tell you about that is that certainly below 29,450, possibly even below 30,510, I would not want to have any long futures trade positions open. Don't care about spot really, not with Bitcoin, but certainly with futures I would want to be out because that would increase the risk to the upside. But at the moment, you know, I assume we are in this wave degree, in this small wave 4, and it is basically a very nice triangle, A, B, C, D, one more higher low in E wave, and that would really make much sense. But as I said, I am very careful with triangles. With this triangle, when we get one more lower high, higher low, we get one more higher low, then it should normally break out to the upside, would favor trend continuation. Normally, we would expect the triangle to break out to the opposite side of the E wave. But it really isn't really, it doesn't really have predictive qualities as such, okay? Not in corrections. So Elliott Wave tells us that within corrections, the forecast, within corrections is going to be messy because there are more than 10 corrective patterns in Elliott Wave that could play out here, and you really can't say which one it's going to be. It seems like a triangle, yes, but really the priority in a wave 4 correction needs to be capital preservation. So the money is made in trends, not in sideways corrections, okay? So therefore, we just need to be a bit on the side of caution here. It is just a choppy range. You know, you can do a bit of gridding here. But, you know, there's nothing stopping Bitcoin's price to break to the downside of this triangle. Yeah, and then it would just simply be a B wave triangle. So A wave down, yeah, and then we had the B wave in A, B, C, D, E. This would be a B wave, and then we come down in C. So A, B, C, and we just label the triangle the other way around. So all it tells us that when we have the next higher low, we need to be watching for a breakout to the upside. If it doesn't happen, that would massively increase the risk for a breakout to the downside. So I hope that makes sense, because with the next higher low, the triangle is technically complete. We would then, however, need a break above the D wave high, which could still extend a little bit, but it might be done already. We would need to see a break above the D wave high at 34,760 to have first suggestion that the wave 5 has started. But it takes a break above the B wave high and the wave 3 high, basically a double top there, to confirm the breakout. At that time, the triangle is technically complete and we are on our way to 36 to 38K. Yeah, this is my update about Bitcoin. There is not much more to add. It was a slow day, but some altcoins are starting to run, which is very interesting. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.